Where is your love? Day and night I'm dreaming of you, and I wish my dream will come true. I need you, whatever I do. Tell me where is your love?
I'm here to respect you, touch you, feel you, that's what I want to. You are my only temptation. What I want is to, I lost the vibration. 9 to 9, there is no sunshine. Without you my life has no colors and no time. I feel so lonely again since you're gone. I've been scorned. I thought forever that you would be mine all the time.
Where is your love?
Forever I share your load. When you're next to me, I felt so strong. Seasons are changing and now you're gone, feels long. But it's the right time, cuts like a knife inside my mind. This is my sign, the real love of my life. Get out of my heart, I will survive. I can't believe what you've done to me. Now you're free. How could I fall for someone like you? So untrue.
Where is your love?
You're so special. This is the right word. The more I think, the deeper it hurts. Love, no isolation. Think about it, getting this is my imagination. Temptation, now you're far away. Come back and stay, share my day. Heart still beating, my desire out of control. You touch my mind, my body and my soul. I feel so lonely again since you're gone.